club with Deeone and friends.
By the way, FunnyBone, please a round of applause for him one more time, please. I want to say something about this man. Mr. Funny, was it? Say that, Mr. Funny, you don't need mention. But I'll not get with I want to talk. I just want to mention because some people just they come and don't know say you did. Do you understand? So I just want to chip that in a little bit.
We're enjoying Nigerian Ghana Jollof.
Yeah,
Ghana Jollof.
Yeah.
Show Max.
Yeah, that's true.
You know they watch anything.
Not be I know they watch now. Go TV again. The show up now. Please a round of applause for Funny.
Thank you. Good evening. And I greet now, good evening. So let me explain first of all, it's my first time on the stage. Thank you for having me here. The whole idea of comedy club, like I explained at the back of the stage. Because some of them, they come here, first leg, sit down, today, I must laugh. Hey. One laugh, go show. It's like comedy club. You know, now where comics will like the work, they come test their work. Just like if you be wrong here now, maybe start if Ross can work now, maybe every client with a child. The guy will, you know, know whether your waist fit. So imagine that trying. That's what these boys are trying here. So if today don't make you laugh, subsequently you feel laugh. You be like, come. That's when they call you come. Look every day you dey. So these are bad. And for that, you know, that is when you say, you know, come people there to say, nature will just fall your hand. You know, like they don't do it before. I gotta do you. And you plan as a man today. Keep it there. Slap easy. You just embarrass your full image. Yeah, so it did happen, right? So actually, I just we test ourselves. No, say the new one we will get because anything we work here, we will work for those we pay. So for like neighborhood, when I be like those girls for our street, we know they stress us. So one just get out, we just come out and pay. If we deliver, that means once we catch lucky girls in a gym. Am I making some sense? Am I spitting some wisdom? Yeah. As I talk, you hold on. He's talking. I can talk anyhow. Yeah. So sorry, my voice. I don't today die. When they talk about motor, you know, somebody gave me motor 2 years ago. One last you see me drive that car. Because that car won't stress my life. No, I drive a Toyota. The fuel tank full. I go drive from here to do Ekwe, Yanokwaja. Highest place will come down, they go near me. You know the who won't take Mercedes, take Jimmy. So I don't tell my family, say, Mama, here's in Lagos, I spend my money buying fuel. So I pack them. For morning I go warm up. Full time I buy for that Benz. Buy the full time. Last year November. I still there up to now. So the Ghana museum. Once you watch him, I say, you know that time when they give me a car? And the car is. I know one seller. I saw to who give me. See your car. No jokes, it's shocking. I sell them, and I wonder, and where they stay for students, my student get pothole. So to come out the car first, now, problem. So the car is stagnant, but I move. street, see mainland boys here, this mainland there. To move go have me because I enjoy how they think, appreciate stars. You know, so that car from my street. Boys, they go snap on top of it. That's the car, they don't know, yeah. That's the car, you want this car, stop it now. I say, wow. Car will not move. But again, why? You don't talk about marriage again. You see, when I go frustrate me, until I need to marry, and I need to marry. Not when I want to tell you. Oh, FunnyBone just marry. Your mates, they have kids. Oh, FunnyBone, see this your colleague. See dee-one now. Even before Big Brother, he was married low key. Hey, the wife was. Do you know? I don't know say this, but you don't marry. You won't really person didn't marry you. But I'm shocked. When I hear saying marry. So he tell me say, bros, I don't marry you. I say, wow, nice. When the girl there, see the fine wife. It's encouraging. I say, okay. I follow dee-one like you abroad. I met dee-one 9 years ago. No jokes, in London, not Nigeria. I like dee-one.
You don't lie.
He came to usher for the show for London. He know that the show, he got usher. He just made me say, Ross, I'm funny, Let me talk to Portuguese, make I open the show for me. Now, that I mean they speak English. You see this one? See this I walk. English don't pursue many comedians. dee-one speak, once speak past English people, he a man. So he don't really do well that day. So he no go London for over 6 years for that not doing well. And then he has bounced back in pidgin and freestyle. SK still they speak English for this Lagos. Will they watch you? You will soon join us, don't worry. The same people, when they shout, oh, he's so sleek, he's so polished, oh, he speaks well. They go, wow. After all the English. It's so dry now. How about shift? These people, God please them. I know women, it's becoming more difficult for us. I said it last night in Abuja. I think you guys are becoming, because of internet research, and when I don't know about it more, when I don't be more expressive. Marriage like this no had before. No. Sorry, I don't say vulgar words. No. Our mother's time. Oh, Nana, you connect. You come very late. There you go. When the stress is for you, because you come, as in it's delayed. Now that they'll finish by 6 p.m. When he goes, maybe after 2 hours. Yeah. So because of information, social media, access to X-rated videos now. Because when we're small, to watch blue film na big deal. True of us. Person will go rent for your name. Person will be above 18. will go rent am, come fold them inside leather like contraband, come give you. When I come wait when una papa no dey house, una come put am for video. And then video, if they take light, blue film don't hang go. When I come carry una video, they find neighbor wey get generator to comot just one blue film. Am I communicating? Because you do me. Man, I go rent and put down. The man never begin to know the girl. He just wants that light go. And I let him know that never hang. And now, if they take light for DVD, when light come, you go start afresh. That time video where you stop, and there you go. Because on a tape, it go boom, 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 boom. So my father later watched that part. So that how because of information with they now, women don't know themselves more. You know what they turn she up? Finna be her own. Her own. Finna be her own. Her own. Finna be. Hello, auntie, sit down. Sit down. Listen to me. This is my office. Where do you work? Where do you work? I talk to you. Where do you work? Oh, flight attendant. Have you seen me before on your flight making noise? If I press phone, off your phone. Hey, off your mouth. Quiet. Let's walk. This is our walk. Please. Many men use this work to marry. Not this work. Dee-one take no maker. I'm talking you. Okay, you're working. Yeah. Now you are respectful. Okay, where do you work? Okay, you're a student. Okay, you, ladies. You are a student. I'm your VC. If you're a student. Okay, I was talking, you will learn this thing. If you will help you. Because okay, this is the way the rest, you know, if you want to stress you. Hold this information dearly so that you can frustrate them. Tonight, as I was saying, okay, I will face you, you need this. Okay, young girls nowadays, because of what they watch on the internet, they are becoming insatiable. What that means is, you know they do them again. Like, I don't know if your photographer face me now. She won't distract you, but she knows that today she will stress you. You know, so they watch. So what if they make her feel they make this girl? And you go hear where you hear things. Somebody say, oh, FunnyBone, it's my ears. Once you get there, I fly away. Somebody say, oh, FunnyBone, no, my ears, it's my neck, I die. Somebody say, oh, no, my neck, like, if you just come around here, it will be. Then one Igbo girl, you get it that girl. Oh, what I smell, what I saw. Oh, FunnyBone, it's nowhere. You just, I said, how big you are much. And tell us again, do not get a girl, no jokes in Abuja. He said, FunnyBone, man is special. Yes. I said, your lap. He said, no. I said, me. He said, no. I said, here. He said, no. I said, around here. He said, no. He said, keep guessing. I said, hello, I'll guess on where be this place. He said, try now. I said, your hair? He said, no. I said, FunnyBone, under my feet. But I tell you, just think with me. This girl now. Example, this man and this girl. When I go now, land. But I see her hair. You go leave her. See breast, you leave her. See waist, you leave her. See lap, you leave her. See middle belt. The most important area in human anatomy. You leave her. You can't go under her leg. Don't touch her. Are you feeling it? In the place. Thank you that much time. Good night, guys. Enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for FunnyBone! Hey! Oh, that was FunnyBone. Forget. Eh? But funny enough, who did that fit? Same. You know, say you are old, and anything old. This guy all day madras. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we see this guy. He says, God forbid. Now we are there.
Comedy Club with Dee-one and friends.